bagong-bagong kasama tuwing katanghalian. Walang iba, of course, this is Okay Fanalo Season 5. Kaluk Kwentuhan. Ayan. Please welcome our Kaluk Kwentuhan guest for today. Kindly introduce yourself now.
My name is Scott, aka LeBron Nampinas. Salamat guys.
First clue, English. Second clue, one word. So guys, again, English, one word. Now guess, anything related to LeBron. English and one word. Since sinabi mo na ang iyong sagot ay dunk, ang tamang sagot ay dunk! With tumpak, which means meron kang another 2,000 pesos na total of 5,000 pesos! Okay. Ready, let's spin the jackpot round in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Pop, 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 pop. Times 3.
I'm so happy to be here, to the whole family, to the whole production. So guys, you guys can follow me to my social media as well. LeBron Nampinas. Facebook, LeBron Nampinas. Instagram, LeBron Nampinas. TikTok, LeBron Nampinas. So
Okay,
also
LeBron
my
Nampinas. Thank you so much guys. Again, this is Okay Fanalo Season 5. Congratulations po sa ating caller today, si Miss Jasmine. Dito na po nagtatapos ang panibago yung kakwentuhan tuwing tanghalian. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin, Okay Fam. This is Okay Fanalo Season 5. Kalukwentuhan, kaloka sa saya, kaloka sa panalo. Abangan nyo kami every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 12 noon. Dito lang sa official FB page ng Okay Games. Again,